Want to speak real Spanish from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at SpanishPod101.com.
Hi everyone, this is Rosa and today we'll be doing top 15 must-know phrases to go shopping. Let's go! ¿Cuánto cuesta? ¿Cuánto cuesta? How much is it? ¿Cuánto cuesta? How much is it? ¿Cuánto cuesta? Son 20 euros. ¿Lo tienes en otro color? ¿Lo tienes en otro color? Do you have it in another color? ¿Lo tienes en otro color? Do you have it in another color? ¿Lo tienes en otro color? Sí, también lo tenemos en azul. Do you have it in another color? Yes, we also have it in blue. ¿Tienes una M? ¿Tienes una M? Do you have it in medium? ¿Tienes una M? Do you have it in medium? No, solo tenemos S. No, we only have it in small. ¿Podría verlo? ¿Podría verlo? May I see it? ¿Podría verlo? May I see it? So you can use this phrase if you see something that you like in the shop window but you want to take a closer look at it. ¿Puedo probármelo? ¿Puedo probármelo? Can I try it on? ¿Puedo probármelo? Can I try it on? So, yeah, normally you can, and they will show you like where the fitting room is. So, yes. Me gusta ese. Me gusta ese. I like that one. Me gusta ese. I like that one. So, if you want to be more specific, you can add to the sentence what it is that you like. For example, me gusta ese vestido. I like that dress. No me gusta este color. No me gusta este color. I don't like this color. No me gusta este color. I don't like this color. So this is the moment in which you have to use the sentence we learned before. ¿Lo tienes en otro color? Do you have it in another color? ¿Tenéis algún modelo parecido a este de aquí? ¿Tenéis algún modelo parecido a este de aquí? Do you have a similar model to this one? ¿Tenéis algún modelo parecido a este de aquí? Do you have a similar model to this one? Yeah, I remember using like this kind of sentence when I went going to a thrift store and the thing that I wanted had like some holes in it. So I asked if they had like something similar to that thing, but they didn't. ¿Lo podrías envolver para regalo? ¿Lo podrías envolver para regalo? Could you gift wrap it, please? ¿Lo podrías envolver para regalo? Ahora mismo. Could you gift wrap it, please? Yes, right now. ¿Aceptáis tarjeta? ¿Aceptáis tarjeta? Do you take credit cards? ¿Aceptáis tarjeta? Do you take credit cards? Yeah, normally in shops they will accept credit cards, but maybe if you, I don't know, to go to a thrift store, for example, they sometimes don't accept them, or like a street market, maybe. Solo estoy mirando, gracias. Solo estoy mirando, gracias. I'm just browsing, thanks. Solo estoy mirando, gracias. I'm just browsing, thanks. ¿Te puedo ayudar en algo? May I help you? Solo estoy mirando, gracias. I'm just browsing, thanks. Me encanta cómo te queda. Me encanta cómo te queda. I love how it looks on you. Me encanta cómo te queda. I love how it looks on you. You can hear this sentence a lot from the shop assistants, maybe, like trying to convince you to buy something. But yeah, don't fall into it. No me gusta cómo me queda. No me gusta cómo me queda. I don't like how it looks on me. No me gusta cómo me queda. I don't like how it looks on me. Maybe you can tell that to the shop assistant and she or he will help you, like maybe, I don't know, find another size or another style or something better. ¿Hay algún descuento? ¿Hay algún descuento? Is there a discount? ¿Hay algún descuento? Is there a discount? Sí, el 20%. Yes, the 20%. No me cabe. No me cabe. It doesn't fit. No me cabe. It doesn't fit. Yeah, so time to ask for a bigger size then. And this is the end of today's top 15 must-know phrases to go shopping. Leave us a comment telling us what you would like to buy in Spain. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe. And also check out SpanishPod101.com. See you soon. Hasta pronto.